Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know, and I'm going to spread some paint in a second. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas and a piece sliced off of a 16 by 20 inch piece of acetate that came as the protective layer in a 16 by 20 inch package of Artist Loft canvases. I'm going to use my Mead and paint. See how far I can spread that, which is usually pretty far. And then I might just follow my heart and see if I can spatula swipe, even though I talked about using that piece of acetate, which could still happen. I really want to see how far one good dollop of paint goes. Hey, look, a painting. So this is my regular recipe with just 1 or 2% added water. Distilled water to be specific, because I mix my paint in bottles and I wouldn't want it to stink, and the bacteria in tap water, no matter how good your water quality is in your area, is bound to be not good enough to keep paint from beginning to ferment. So I kind of figure one layer might do this, because this Mead and paint, it's on my Amazon link that's below the link tree. It's on the link tree below the video. Is the most amazing blackest black I've encountered for the amount of pouring medium that I put in, and then the water. It's just a wow. So I've been wanting to do some green. What's it feel like to want? There we go. I'd like it to not be even, but I'm very bad at that. And I was thinking emerald green, but what I have in my hand is turquoise, so let me grab the emerald green and the turquoise. And because Mead won't swallow my Venetian blue, I think I'm going to put some of that in there as well. I might put another little line of something in between. I might even use a different acetate card. This is the turquoise that I was thinking I was going to start this whole process with. I kind of want some gold, and I have gold ready to go. So if this one's mostly blues and greens, oh, look at that. The cells are already popping. That's awesome. Alright, so do I do one more row of purple? Yeah, this is my purple flash from Folk Art. I might want a scrape dish. I'm kind of chickening out about the spatula, but look, I've got black paint on it, so let's just no. Still chickening out. Let's just use that paint up on the edge where I can see some canvas and throw it in the bucket. And that's pretty good. I don't see any more spaces other than that one little tiny spot right there. And I'm going to grab one of my acetate cards that's not that huge thing. Round. Okay, I got it. I think I'm going to do what I like to do the most, which is the keyhole swipes. Bring that right over the edge. I figure I can always put other colors back in. I like that that made it all the way to the edge. Not seeing that many cells. I think I definitely need to use some of the Mead and paint. Maybe right here. Maybe a little more right here. And I'll go back again and hit these if I want to. Pop those bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. And I am inclined to follow my heart more often than not, so let's just do that. And hope for the best. I finally got some of that turquoise that I like. I'll go for some more of it. Well, I'm not sure I'm in love yet, but I'm working on it. Just means I'm going to probably wind up adding more colors. And using a smaller card too. So let's grab my smaller card if it's available. I am beginning to get some cells. This one's not small enough. Let me just use, oh look, I've got really small cards. I wonder how they will work. Now I jumped the gun the last time, or I've seen one of these that I jumped the gun on, and it was really nice at a certain stage, and I went ahead and ruined it by overworking it, and I want to not do that this time. So I'm going to try and take a little more time and feel my way through the process. I hope. I do tend to really like to drag a spatula through some shapes. But I'm kind of liking what I've got. It's not bothering me. I'm definitely thinking that I might, instead of a spatula, just drag a card. Probably a smaller card would be better next time, but I'm not really complaining yet. The tiny little bit of residual green gold on there is kind of cool. There, it's simple, but that could be a really good thing right now, I think. I do believe that the bigger card is risky and a smaller one would be easier to handle. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys, I have almost 92,000, and I may have 92,000 subscribers by the time you see this. And I love you all, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And if you are subscribed and you've been here for a while, I love you more. And if you're new, please be welcomed. We're so happy that you're here. I have over 1,900 videos. This is a little simpler than I was expecting, but maybe a little more complicated too. I don't know if that makes any sense. There's a certain amount of balance that's going on in here that I don't really want to mess with very much. And other than that, I'm just about done. And I should tell you guys, I do sell my artwork, And you can find my email address below the link tree underneath the video when you open Show More. And I'm going to torch, because I think I'm not going to make this any better by messing around with it too much more. And I really wanted to do some greens and purples, and now I've done them. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paints. Torch to release patterns in the paints. I didn't have a huge flood coat of mead this time, and I think you get more cells surrounded by black when you have a heavier flood coat. But I don't like flood coats. They work really well for other people though, so I think you should definitely consider that. I have all the cells that I really like, and I have a pattern that I like, and I have colors that I like. And I like that you guys are here, and if you like me, give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you very much. Also, if you would like to be of assistance to me, there is an opportunity for you to win a painting if you are a contributor through PayPal or Patreon. And you can find the icons on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the drawing on the end screen video, which is an exhibition video in the last 20 seconds of any video. If I did decide that this wasn't enough, I could probably do something else cool tomorrow, but right at the moment it feels like enough, and that I should zoom in for you guys. So I should tell you under the link tree, you'll find my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Let's zoom in on some cells. Baby. Some nice cells. Good colors too. Anyway, so I have over 1,900 videos, and at least 1,800 of them are organized into lists of 100 and by topic and genre. What else do I have to tell you? I have Teespring clothing under the video. If you like to shop, you might want to check out the all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there. And you can get to my pixels.com and Fine Art America from the Shop Now button on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, which is a Facebook group mentioned on the link tree. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you leave me. You keep my morale boosted, and thank you so much for all the donations that help keep me painting. The drawing is run on the very last or the second to last day of the month. And like I said, you can see those prizes on that exhibition video in the last 20 seconds. I have 2 books on my Amazon link where if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. And the 2 books are volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. If you guys have questions, please ask me. If you need my paint pouring recipe, open Show More and read down below because it's there. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, as well as Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. If you're looking for the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, you'll find albums full of the edited YouTube wet and dry artworks. If you're interested in making a purchase, use the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video and email me, and I will be happy to give you all the information you need. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell, long-winded as heck. Loving you still, and I will see you anon. Bye for now. Take care of each other. Yes, I said that. Okay. Bye for now. Priscilla out.